I mean discover the waterfall.
The waterfall very important to this community as well.
What is in Mambo? Na man bone they mean.
Welcome to Mambo Waterfall.
Within the heart of Freetown Peninsula lies Mambo, a village surrounded by pristine rainforest and home to about 4,500 residents. Daily life here is shaped by the community members engaging in various activities. The streets of Mambo bustle with local commerce as residents engage in small-scale trading, exchanging goods and services that sustain the village economic vitality and foster entrepreneurial spirit.
Over 4,500 where they live in Mambo Yasu.
There are over 4,500 people living in Mambo. Presently, in Mambo, we have a waterfall which resides up the hill. At the same time, we have the beach, which is located down by the beach area. The waterfall is a touristic attraction. We like it when people come from Freetown and everywhere to visit us in our village.
Na a tourist place. And we like where people they come out Freetown and everywhere where they can visit in our village.
My name is Francis Bach, and this is my second time of coming here. It's a very nice place. The first time I came here, I just loved the view and the environment, so I said to myself I have to come here for the second time.
Well, Mr. Julius
I am
Amara.
Mr. Julius Amara, commonly called Sheikh. I am the former headman of Mambo community from 2014 to 2018. I was the one who discovered the waterfall. It's a place that already existed. When I spotted the waterfall, it was covered by a forest. The day I discovered the site, I realized the potential to the place, and I knew it would be a touristic attraction. Anyone who saw this place would like to tell their friends about the place or come with people to see the place. So I started to make plantation around. When you go there, the kushu, coconut and other things that you see, I started to plant them. I saw that this place would benefit the community. I took a caterpillar in 2014 that cleared the road from down the village to up the waterfall. It's not easy to get a waterfall in the city. If I remember correctly, there was one in Gloucester that is no longer functioning. But fortunately for Mambo community, we now have this waterfall. We really cherish this because it is a touristic attraction, which I believe will bring revenue to the community.
We can pay visits to their family, so we really get love for the and passion for the waterfall.
When they say Mambo, they mean man bone. They drag it to sound like Mambo, but it's man bone. It's unity that allowed the Mambo community to be as it is today. Because if we didn't have unity amongst us, the place wouldn't be clean or nice, and if you visit once, you wouldn't come again. But because of unity, when someone visits and explains about the Mambo waterfall, someone else would like to come and visit. It is the hope of the inhabitants that the development projects on the waterfall will create job opportunities, support local businesses, and enhance their living standards. The local population reliance on Mambo waterfall and the surrounding forest underscores its importance. Protecting this natural treasure has become a shared mission. with the community valuing and safeguarding Mambo as an integral part of their heritage and identity.
We hope and pray
We hope and pray that the government or any charity organization or NGOs will come and see how best we all can develop the waterfall. They should come and see how they can help improve the roads, electricity, and upgrade it to a proper touristic attraction with bungalows, restaurants, and more. We cannot do it alone as a community. This is the community that does not have revenue like other communities, like Number 2 or Hamilton. Mambo also wants to come under the tourist attracted lights. We need the support of anybody who can help Mambo community so that we can put it on the map.